Hello class. Today is Botanica School Math Week 14, Lesson 1 review. And that means that this is the final week of getting your Teacher Ariel teaching videos. Teacher Ariel teaching videos. That's a tongue twister. Can you say that? Teacher Ariel teaching videos. All right, anyways, let's get started. And as usual, let's go over our homework first. And we'll start with the Quiz-Is homework that we got from our Zoom class. Question number 1 said, Pan Pan wants a cookie. The cookie is 35 baht. Pan Pan gives a 100 baht bill. How much change does he get? So let's set it up. 100 baht minus 35 baht equals, all right, so let's put a 9 here, a 10 here, a 5 here, and a 6 here. We need 65 baht change, okay? Number 2, Maria wants to buy a pencil with unicorns on it. It costs 20 baht. Maria pays with a 50 baht. How much change does Maria get back? Same thing. Maria pays with 50 baht minus 20 baht. Maria should have 30 baht change. Dragon wants to buy. Oh no, I made a mistake. This should be Dragon wants to buy 4 coconuts. 1 coconut costs 15 baht. How much does Dragon need to pay for the coconuts altogether? So this time, we need to find how much money we need for 4 coconuts. Well, let's try. We need to do 15 baht times 4, because we have 4 coconuts. Okay, 15 baht times 4 coconuts equals how many baht? 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. It's going to be 60 baht. So Dragon needs 60 baht to buy the coconuts. Or 3 20 baht bills. Okay, 3 20 baht bills. Number 4. Otto wants to buy a special drawing pad because Otto is a very good artist. It costs 600 baht and Otto has a 1000 baht bill. How much change does Otto get back? So we'll do 1000 minus 600, and our change is 9, 9, 10. Well, 10 minus 0 is 10. So we didn't actually need to do that. So we only need a 9 here. Sorry, we only need a 10 here because these zeros don't need anything. So we could just bring down the 0, 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. So Otto needs 400 baht change for his drawing pad. Him wants to share ice cream on his birthday. 1 ice cream costs 10 baht. Him has 53 classmates. How much does Him need to buy ice cream? So we have to do 53 times 10. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Now for the tens place, we need to put a 0 here. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, so the answer is 530 baht. All right, super easy, right? Now let's get back to reviewing. From the first class, we need to review counting. How much is it? Well, we just did a lot of counting with money. So let's review counting again. Okay, so let's count. We have 1,000, 2,000. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say 6,000. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 910. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 70. Okay, so let's add that up, and we have 6,970. 6,970. Now we need to write the numbers into words. All right, let's do it. So I hope this is easy for you now, but if you forgot how to spell some words, practice, okay? Of course, you should try and pause first, but let's do it together for the first page, okay? We have 5 capital letters. Oops. Let's zoom in a little bit. 5,000, 600 and 38. Okay, 5,638. Next we have 7,000, 700 and 85. Okay. All right, let's make this a little bit bigger. And next we have 16,000, 300 and 24. All right, let's make this bigger and make it wider. There we go. And finally, let's do one more here. We have 67,000 900 and 36. All right, so let's make this bigger, make it longer. All right, good. Those are the answers to A, B, C, and D. Write it down in your book, okay? Now, we need to write these numbers in Hindu, Arabic, and Thai numerals. So let's begin. A says 36,438. I'll let you write it in Thai. Then we have 79,908. Okay, 908. And you can write it in Thai numerals. Now, for page 2, we are going to pause. And this time, I need you to answer the questions. But first, let's go over. We'll do A for 4 and A for 5 together first, okay? So fill in the missing numbers. 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 7 tens, and 6 ones equals 2, 3, 7, 6, okay? So that's the first one together, and let's do the first one here. By the way, this is page 269, if you didn't know already, okay? And the next one is 1,427 will be, I'll type it here, 1,427. And don't forget your comma, okay? That's easier to read, I think. Now, everyone, you know the deal. Let's pause and do this by ourselves. Page 269. All right, let's answer the questions together. Okay, here we go. We have 5 thousands, 200s, and 9 ones, and that equals 5,000, 200s, and 9 ones. Don't forget the comma, and let's make it bigger. Next we have 7 thousands, comma, 8 tens, and 2 ones. Next we have 5 thousands, 100, 0 tens, so make a big 0 there, 0 tens, and 5 ones. Then we have 8 thousands, 900s, 4 tens, and 2 ones. And finally, we have 10 thousands. Next is 8 10,000s. Okay, so now we have some really big number, 8 10,000s. So that means that's 80,000, 7 tens, and 9 ones. They didn't say hundreds or thousands. And then we have 7 10,000s, comma, 9 hundreds, and 2 tens, 0 ones, okay? So I'll make these a little bit bigger so you can see them, and check your answers, okay? And now let's go to letter B here. We have 3,000 plus 500, so the answer is 3,542. For C, the answer is 4,380. Letter D is 6,095. Letter E, because we need to add the 60. The 60 is missing. 2,761. Letter F is 9,408. G is 30,688. And finally, H is 80,000. Ooh, look what we have here. We have 80,000 and 8,000. That means we have 88,008. Okay? So those are the answers to page 269. Let's go to page 270. Now we need to figure out which one is bigger. The bigger number gets, so the bigger number is open face and the smaller number is closed face, okay? Because this side is bigger, the bigger number goes here. So something like 10 and 9. The bigger side has the bigger number. If they are the same number, put in equals. Okay? You know the deal, but let's review 7 and 8 first. 7, 8, 9. We'll do the first one together. 3,832. 3,832. Bigger number on the right. Let me change the color so you can see it better. Okay, the bigger number is on the right. Mark the numbers below on the line and arrange them in decreasing order, so when they're getting smaller. Okay, so that's the biggest, and this is the smallest. So let me help you out with the first one, which is the biggest. This one is the biggest here. Okay, and we need to mark them on the line. So where do you think this number is on the line? I'll do the first one with you. We have 700, 710, 720, 730. So this one, this line right here is 5, 7, 30. Okay? And then write it here. 730. Okay? And do that for the other two. Part 8. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Increasing means smallest to biggest. Okay? Smallest to biggest. So the smallest one here is this one. 8,236. And finally, complete the number patterns. What is the pattern here? Let's check. How do we find it? We can see the hundreds goes up by 200 here. So this is 200. This goes up by 200 again. Oh, no, it's not. This goes up by 300s. And this time it goes up by another 300. So that means it goes up by somewhere in between 2 and 300. So how can we find it? Let's do 3,884 minus 3,634. So we have 0, 5, 2, and 0. So I think it goes up by 250 every time. So let's add 250 to 4,134 to find the answer. We have 0, 8, 3, and 4. So the answer is 4,380. Okay? That's one way to find the pattern, but it's not the only way to find the pattern. So try to find B and C, and then we'll do it together. Now, pause. Go. All right, let's review the answers. For A, B, C, D, this one is bigger. These are equal. This one is bigger. This one is bigger. This one is bigger. This one is bigger. And this one is bigger. Okay? Next, we have, put this on the line. So we have 660. Let's find 660 right here. 5660. Then 5,590. So between here, right here, we have 5,590. So 510, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? Now, biggest to smallest. 5, 6, 6. Oof. The writing is so bad. 5, 6, 6, 0. And 5, 5, 9, 0. Okay? Next, we have arrange it from increasing in increasing. So that's the smallest. Let's get to the biggest. 16, 708. The next biggest is, I'll write it down. My pen isn't working so well. 15,304. Then we have 9,000, because it's bigger than 8,000. 9,365. And then we have 8,365. Okay, so that's the answer for that question. Next we have, it's going down this time. So it's bigger, smaller, 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 smaller. And we can see 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 4 is 8. Well, 200. So if we do minus 4 again, it would be 49,800. And then if we do minus 4, it would be 400. So the answer is 49,832. Okay. Next, we can find this one. So this time it's going down again. This time I see it's going down by 1,000, 2,000. Ooh. All right. So it looks like it's going down by not 1,000, but less than 1,000. Look how far it's going. It went from 600 to 9. So that means it's going down about 700. So let's find the difference. All right. Let's write it down. 78,609 minus 77,989. What is the difference? 0. We need to steal 6, 5. Oops. So this is going to be 2 because this is now 10. Now we have to steal from here. So this is now 15. 9 minus 15 is 6. And 7 minus 7 is 0, and 7 minus 7 is 0. So we have 620. So if it goes down 620, which is under 700, but close, then we need to subtract 620 from 76,000. Okay? And we can see a difference in 20 here. See? 6 minus 4, 69 minus 20 is 49. So now let's do 749 minus 600. Ooh, the pen isn't working anymore. 620. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 7 minus 6 is 1. And then we bring down 76. So the new answer would be 76,129. Good job if you got that one right. Now, final page here. Oh, that was the final page. Good job, guys. You finished your class today. And guess what? It's the last week, so we have no homework. Yay! Good job, everyone. I will see you next class. Bye.